Welcome to Faith, Purpose, and Freedom, the podcast where we grow together in faith, walk boldly in purpose, and create freedom in every area of life. I'm so honored that you're here. This podcast was created for the dreamers, the builders, the business owners, the employees, the leaders, the ones who feel lost, and the ones who know deep down that they were made for more. Here, I believe that every single person has a purpose. You're not an accident, you are not forgotten, and you are absolutely irreplaceable. This space is about love, unity, connection, and growth. Together, we'll have real conversations about faith, healing, purpose, business, leadership, personal growth, systems, productivity, and building a life that truly aligns with who God created you to be. I'm a mom of 6 with a grandbaby on the way. And if there's one thing I know for sure, it's this: life can take you through hell and still lead you into purpose. Some of the things I walked through were never my fault. Some came from choices I made along the way. But through it all, I always knew deep inside that I was made for more. I always carried a vision in my heart of serving God's people and creating a space where love, healing, peace, and unity could truly thrive. The journey to get here wasn't so easy. There were seasons of brokenness, chaos, anger, frustration, and deep pain. There were moments I felt so lost, stretched, and unsure of how everything would come together. But what once felt like brokenness has become healing. What once felt like complete chaos is now peace. And what once felt like anger has been transformed into love. And now my mission is simple. I want others to experience the same healing and peace that I'm experiencing. I believe every single person in this world has a purpose. Every person carries gifts, talents, and something uniquely God given inside of them. We were each created differently so that together we could fill the gaps, strengthen one another, and build a life rooted in love and unity. Today, I stand as an ordained minister, author, podcaster, and coach. Not because the road was easy, but because I did the work, climbed the hills, trusted God through the valleys, and I just kept moving forward. Now I'm here to take the world with me because you matter, you're worthy, your story matters, and the climb, it's worth it. Life is one wild ride, but I promise you this: it's absolutely worth every ounce of that climb. I work with 3 types of people, and this podcast was built with all of them in mind. The first, I help the person who has walked through hell, survived hard seasons, and they know they were made for more, but they need clarity, direction, and confidence in their next steps. These are the breakthrough moments where we narrow the options, uncover the calling, and create movement. Second, I help the visionary who already has the dream and the heart to move forward, but needs the right system, structure, and we set up SMART goals. As an NLP practitioner, one of the biggest things I've learned in business is SMART goals matter. SMART goals matter even if you're not building a business. Everyone should set goals for themselves and accomplish them and reward yourself when you accomplish them. But for the visionary person, I help them set those goals, we just turn that vision into reality. We move forward, we press. Sometimes things don't always work out the way we wanted them to. That's fine. We go back the next month and we just refocus, we retune, we revamp, and we go at it again. But this time we're going to go at it harder. The third person I help is business owners and entrepreneurs who are ready for better systems, stronger productivity, and aligned growth so that they can succeed without burnout and lead with purpose. One of the largest things I've noticed, just from speaking to people, from being an employee myself, is a lot of businesses are needed. We need these businesses, and those businesses need employees to thrive. However, when employees go to work and they already have all this chaos and financial barriers and just the struggle of life, and every person's walk is different. So we don't know exactly what they're going through, but when they go to work and they feel underappreciated and undervalued, you're not going to get valuable work and valuable productivity out of an employee who does not feel respected, who feels underappreciated, and who feels undervalued, who they, when they just feel like they're going to work just for a paycheck, it's a struggle. But when you can make like family out of that workplace and love and unity thrives in that workplace, boy, does productivity change. It just goes through the roof, and you are only climbing from then on out because people want you to succeed because you want them to succeed. So I love helping business owners just find a way to put a system in place for their employees also. This podcast is so much bigger than just business. It's about helping people remember who they are, building people up, leading people, guiding people, loving people right where they're at, and helping them overcome anything and everything that's ever stepped in their way. It's about speaking life into those who just feel lost or broken and who just need love and encouragement. It's about helping employees thrive inside of businesses, helping leaders lead with love, and helping entrepreneurs build with faith. It's about helping people make God the CEO of their business, the CEO of their company, the CEO of their life. This is where we create real connection. We share resources, support one another, and rise together. There are thousands and thousands upon thousands of coaches in the world today. And there is no reason to think you can do it all because you can't. What I might be good for, someone else might not be good at doing what I do. And there might be other people good at doing what I can't do. And we refer each other. It's a referral system, a resource system. And sometimes, you may already have X amount of clients. Taking on an extra one or two might mean that your clients you already have aren't getting everything from you that they deserve. And the new clients won't be getting everything that they deserve too. So it's okay to say, I'm super busy in my life right now, but Bill over here, I know what he offers and he does amazing and I think you'd be a great fit. If I have someone that came to me and they wanted help with, building and scaling their Instagram or their Facebook, I know coaches that do that and I'm going to refer them out because that's not what I do. And it's okay to do this. I I help people, I guide people, I make people see that they have a purpose, and I help them pull out that vision, and then we go from there. Some of you might want to be an author, some of you might want to start a podcast, some of you may be interested in a website and a blog, and how can I make money from doing that? Well, there's affiliate marketing, and I know how to implement all of these things that a lot of people don't even realize is out there. Some people may want to still have their current job, which is great because businesses need employees. They may still want to work in that position, but they want to have a little extra on the side. Listen, this world is not getting cheaper. Multiple streams of income are very helpful. If someone came to me and they wanted to do, stocks and investments and, that's what they're kind of looking at, I might refer someone else to them. But then again, I might have someone that's interested in stocks and investments and now I can refer them to the person that's coaching for stocks and investments or the person that came to me wanting to learn and now they're just starting out. Now they have new clients. This is how we share resources, we support one another, and we rise together. When one of us grows, we all grow. So, whether you're rebuilding, starting over, scaling your business, strengthening your team, or simply searching for your why, this podcast right here is for you. I am excited to bring guests on. I'm excited to share what everybody is doing, their why, their purpose, who they're helping, how they're helping people, looking at the problems in the world so that we can let everybody thrive. Guys, welcome to Faith, Purpose, and Freedom. Welcome to this family. I'm so excited that you're here and excited that we can all grow together. God bless each of you.